In 12 in 12 sum, AB has been given. A is 20, 10, B is 0, 20. We have to distribute into 5 equal parts. P, Q, R and S are the 4 points taken, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 equal parts, and I have named them with the various points. Since it was very easier in the even part, but in odd part you have to take the ratios. You have to understand completely what I am telling. Total how many parts are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts. If I am taking Q, so these 2 parts will be 1 and 2. This will be 2 parts and this the remaining part will be 3. So over here my M and over here N, where M will be equal to 2 and N will be equal to 3. I am just distributing it into a ratio. I am just distributing it into ratio. First I will find Q. Q coordinate is such that Q is point with coordinates is how much? x4, y4, and for that M is to N is 2 is to 3. For Q, this is 2 parts hence 2, these are 3 parts hence 3. So 2 into 3. So I will get the coordinates of Q, that is x4 is M, this is M into how much? M x2 plus N x1 upon M plus N. Since we are familiar with this formula, so I have taken x1 and y1 at first and x2 and y2 at last, so it will be easier for us to find. x4 is equal to M. M is how much? 2. x2 is how much? 0 plus N is how much? 3. x1 is 20 and upon 2 plus 3. So I will get over here x4 is equal to 2 into any number is 0, 0. 3 into this will become 60 upon 5. x4 is equal to 12, 5 is 60. So x4 is 12. I will get x4 as 12 over here. Same thing can be found with y4 is equal to M y2 n y1 upon M plus N. y4 can be written as M. M is how much? 2. y2 is how much? 20 and 3. y1 is 10 upon 2 plus 3, that is it will become 40 plus 30 upon 5, that is 70 upon 5. What will the answer you will get? 40. So I will get y4 over here. y4 is 40. y4 is 40. So now I have got this point Q. Now I have got Q. Q is what I can directly write over here. Q is 12, 14. Q is 12, 14. Now leave this part, leave this whole part. Just think A and Q. A and Q, AP is equal to PQ. That means P is the midpoint of AQ. I can write over here directly. P is the midpoint of AQ. So x3 is equal to x1 plus x4 upon 2. x1 that is 20, x4 that is 12 upon 2. So how much will get? This whole value, how much will get? 32 upon 2, this will become 16. y3 is equal to y1 plus y4 upon 2. That is y1 is how much? 10. y4 that is over here 14 upon 2. How much you are going to get it? 28 upon 2, sorry, 24 upon 2 will get 12. So coordinate of P can be written over here as 16, 12. That means just finding by 1 Q, I can get the P as midpoint. Now I have got P and Q. Now R can be also found in the same way. How? Since they are all are equal, I can write the same step over here. I can write the same step over here. I can write over clearly. I can write over here R P or PR, whatever say. That is in RP. Q is the midpoint of RP. If Q is the midpoint, so I can directly write x4 is equal to x3 plus x5 upon 2. Right? I can write this. x4 is how much? x4 is 12. 12 is equal to x3. x3 is how much? 16 plus x5 upon 2. 2 12 are 24 minus 16 is equal to x5. Therefore, x5 is equal to 8. I will get x5 as 8. I can easily get x5 as 8. Similarly, y4 is equal to y3 plus y5 upon 2. y4 is how much? y4 I have got over here. How much is the y4? y4 is 14. So 14 is equal to y3. y3 is how much? y3 12. 12 plus y5 upon 2. 14 2s are, I will get how much? 28 minus 12 is equal to y5. Therefore, y5 is equal to 28 minus 12 is how much? 16. So this I have got 16. So what is the coordinate? Which value is this? R. So R I have got 8, 16. This is also found. And the last and the least, but S can be directly written. I can write same thing over here can be written easily. S is the midpoint of RB. Therefore, x6 is equal to 5 x2 upon 2. x5 is how much? Just now we got x5 is 8, x2 is 0 upon 2, that is 8 upon 2, that is 4, and y6 is equal to y5 plus y2 upon 2, that is y5 is how much? y5 is 16 plus 20 upon 2, that is 36 upon 2 is equal to 18. So directly I will get S as coordinate is x6 and y6. So I will get directly 4, 18. With this we can solve each and every sum and the coordinates of the various sums. You can easily solve it. This sum is very important. You need to solve it at least twice or thrice, then only you will get this sum.